Schallemchen friends.
Schallemchen friends, we have something very nice for you.
License code tuning, very easy. This is a Segway GT3. You know it, only 25 kilometers per hour.
Yeah, or in our case 22 kilometers per hour, because this is a German model.
We can show you. 22 German. In your case, maybe 25 kilometers per hour with zero start. In some
countries, yeah, zero start is not allowed. In Germany, zero start is not allowed, and cruise control is not allowed too.
Yeah, you have cruise control too. In the normal version, this,
ja, du musst einmal kurz drücken.
Okay, cruise control. So, and if you want to tune the scooter to make it faster, you have to start it normally. Just wait. So you have the license code on the scooter, and now, so guys, watch this. 50 kilometers per hour with our license code tuning. Very easy to install. You get the instruction in the email. So if you buy a code, you get the code and the instruction. How you do this is very easy. You get it on the website and put the code there. Then the website will flash your scooter. Yeah. And if you want to deinstall it, same way again.
Yeah, for uninstall, just go to the same website. Just put your same code in. You can use the code, yeah, as often as you want. It's no
only for
limit,
one scooter.
But it's for one scooter only, yeah. But you can make it faster, make it slower, make it faster, make it slower. And if you make it faster and you start the scooter normal, like in the control or something like that,
like this one, we can show you again.
Then you drive only 22 or 25 kilometers per hour. Yeah.
In our case, normal speed 22 kilometers per hour. And if you have 25 kilometers per hour, it will change it to 25 kilometers per hour if you start it normally. So no risk and only.
Yeah. And if it don't work, you get your money back.
Yeah,
it's very easy. But beware, please. 50 kilometers per hour, it's very fast. You can hurt yourself and other people. So please drive carefully. We don't want to. Don't hear from you that you have an accident or something like that. Please be safe.
Yeah.
And
that's the important part. Yeah. And thank you for supporting us. If you buy a license code, it is of course for supporting us in the channel. Maybe we make more English content. I think it's very nice. Some English content reach some more people.
We have more time than in the past.
Yeah. So thank you very much for listening and watching, and subscribe. Put a like, put a comment down below, and tschüss.
Tschüss.